Statics, Chapter 2, Homework Problem Number 2. Two structural members A and B are bolted to a bracket shown, knowing that both members are in compression and the force P is 10 kilonewtons. So let's just start writing down again the knowns. Whoa, that's a crazy color. Just do that. P is 10 kilonewtons. Q is 40 kilonewtons. And let's see the angles. Should be at 40 degrees. This one's going to be at 20 degrees. So let's just do tip to tail again. We're going to have A, B. This is the resultant. The resultant could be pointed a little bit better. How's that? R, little r, and we know well, how's that? You know what I like better? Maybe? Well, I'll tell you what. We know that that's 40 degrees. And we know that that's 20 degrees. So 180 minus 40 minus 20 equals 120. So now we also know that little r equals 120. So let's do the law of cosines to find the resultant. So it's going to be big R is 10 squared plus 40 squared minus 2, 10, 40 cosine of 120. So let's try it. 10 squared plus 40 squared minus 2 times 10 times 40 cosine 120. I'm getting a 45.82. And now let's find this angle. And for this we're going to do the law of sines. And this one's going to be R over sine of R equals Q over sine theta. So now we know that R sine theta, so 45.82 sine theta equals Q times sine of R. 40 sine 120. This is going to equal 34.64. Divide this by 45.82. And then we're getting sine theta equals 0.755. Inverse this sine. And theta equals 49.1. And now, here's what we have to figure out. If this is the x-axis, what's this angle plus that angle? So if this is 90, and that's 40. 40 plus 90, 180 minus 130. And this angle's 50. And 50 has to add up with this to get 90. 90 minus 50. So this is 40. I can write that better. 50. That's 40. Those add up to 90. 90 degrees. So we've got this. Let's see. We got this angle here, right? Let's add 50 to it. And I'm getting theta equals, let's call this not theta. Let's just put a spike through it. Let's make it the Smash Bros symbol. 99.1. And that's your answer for that. Yeah, because that's this angle that we found right here. And we're trying to measure it from the x-axis. So we have to add that 50.